Dear students, welcome to this video. In the previous videos, we solved ICSE 10th Mathematics sample papers, 7 questions. Now in this video, we can do the 8th question. Let's go for what's the 8th question here. Look into this case. 8th question, there are two options given here. First one, it is option A. In that one, use graph paper for this solution. So graph paper will be given to you. So for the following table shows the monthly wages of some factory workers. Using table, calculate the cumulative frequency of the workers. So the table it is given. You are asked to draw the cumulative frequency table. And then draw the cumulative frequency curve. So cumulative less than or ogive you have to draw. Then from that ogive, you have to find out the median of the wages. So 3 questions given in this one. Yes, so let us take that one. How to find out this? Yeah, cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency, how you will get? So this is all less than, we consider less than all the upper limits should be taken. Less than 7,000, less than 7,500, less than 8,000, less than 8,500 and so on, then less than 10,000. So less than 7,000 only 10 will come. Less than 7,500 both these will come, isn't it? There's also less than 7,500. The same for 8,000, all the 3 will come less than 8,000 and so on. You can add each frequency, isn't it? Yeah, previous to the previous one to get all the cumulative frequency. So let us do that. One table should be there. Both these wages, number of workers and one more column needed that for cumulative frequency. Let's take that one. So here it is the cumulative frequency drawn here. So 6,000 to 7,000 as itself class interval 6 to 10. But we have to take the less than ogive. So we are taking the upper limits. Less than ogive there are 10 workers and less than 7,500 both these should be added. That's why we are getting 28. And this, for the next one you will get all these three sum, that's 50 here, and for the next one then all the 4 sum and so on. At the end you can see the total number of workers which is equal to the last class intervals cumulative frequency. So 110 is an even number. So in the same next question it is given as this is the first part we did, this is the first part, cumulative frequency table. In the second part you are asked to draw the ogive. How to do? So look, in this case we can see the class intervals we can write. So upper limit as on the x-axis, upper limit on the x-axis and cumulative frequency on the y-axis. So points you are getting ordered, ordered pair here x and y. The same for 7,500 and 28 and so on. So each one corresponding cumulative frequency should be taken. So after plotting all these points, we can join using freehand we can use using a line. We can draw that one. It looks like this one, correct? So look here in 7,010 here and then 28 and then comes here and comes here. And the last question, this is the second part we did. And the last part it is from the ogive. You are asked to find out the median. How? So first of all, check whether number of frequency is even or odd. It is an even number, so we can see that is, n it is equal to 110. So n by 2 which is equal to 55. On which one? 55, that is the number of workers. Where? On y-axis. Yeah, not on that. 55 point comes somewhere here. Sit. So 55. From that point, draw a line to intersect the ogive. Then from that point of intersection, draw a perpendicular to the x-axis and that point where the perpendicular intersect x-axis whose x-coordinate is the median. So here you can see that is median which is equal to, let me take another color here. So we can see median which is equal to Yeah. 110 by 2th term. That means 55th term. Great. So 55th value which we can say which is equal to getting 8,100. That is the median. So look here. This is 8,800 and this is 8,500. In between that we are getting 8,100 as the median. So this is the 8th questions A part and this is a 4-mark question and one more question it is here, that is of option B, where the question we can check here. Option B, what's given? A figure is given here, circle with center O and radius 5 centimeter. Radius here I am naming this point as say E. This point. Okay, this point it is E, OE, OP, all these are radii equal to 5 centimeter. It's given. We can write here OE, OE is equal to OP is equal to OQ. All these are equal to the radius given here 5 centimeter. And what's given here? T is any point such that OT is also given here. T is an external point and OT is equal to 13 centimeters given. OT intersect the circle at point E. Then if AB is the tangent, if we join this one is also you can see tangent at the point E. Then find the length of AB. So you can see A is also external point, B is also external point. You can say that PA and PE are equal. Is it? The theorem is saying if we draw tangent from an external point to a circle, the lengths are equal. Lengths of the tangents are equal. So we can write here PA is equal to PE. Correct? PA and PE equal, and also you can see this length, which length? PT, PT and PQ are equal, PT and PQ are equal. So you can see from there which are equal. Again you can see these two are also equal. AT is equal to AB. Is it? AT and BT are equal. AT and BT are equal. Let's take how to find out AB then. Using Pythagoras theorem, first we can find out PT here. Is it? PT is not given. So PT is the tangent. And in this triangle, which triangle we are taking? In triangle PTO, OT is the hypotenuse. So PT is equal to, using Pythagoras theorem, OT square minus OT square minus OP square. So both is given here 13 square. 13 square minus 5 square, which is nothing but 144. So under root 144 equal to 12 centimeter. So which one we got? PT and PQ. Both of these are equal to 12 centimeter. That's we got. Now look in this case. OE is given. We can find out ET here. Is it? ET, how we will get? ET. Look at the figure. In this one, OT minus OE, you will get ET. Isn't it? OT minus OE, you will get ET. ET is equal to OT minus OE. Let's write that one. OT is given 13. OE is the radius. So we are getting 8 centimeter. ET is equal to 8 centimeter. Now look at this case here. AE and we can see AP are equal. Isn't it? AE and AP, PA and PE equal. It's written. Not PE, it is of AE. Sorry. AE are equal. Isn't it? External tangents drawn from external point to the circles are equal. Now what we need? We can look here. I am taking this PA. PA is equal to AE, which is equal to say x centimeter. So we consider that as x centimeter. Now look in this case AT, we can see AT is equal to AT, the length AT, this distance, isn't it? That means we are getting PT minus PA. So we can write here PT minus PA. So that nothing but PT we already calculated 12 centimeter. 12 minus x centimeter. So 80 we got 12 minus x centimeter. Now look into this case. In this triangle we can see AET is also 90 degree. Why? Because radius and tangents are 90 degree. So we can say this triangle is also one right triangle. AET is a right triangle in which AT and TE also we calculated here, isn't it? Yeah. So from there what we can write? We can write here in triangle AET, that AE and that we can say at point E, the radius it is touching with the tangent, so that's 90 degree. This is a right triangle. We can write that one. AT is AT we already got. In this one we can write AT square, the hypotenuse square, which is equal to other two sides square, so ET square plus AE square. So we need which one? We need AE there. So we can substitute the values. AT it is 12 minus x. Is it? 12 minus x. We can write that one. It is equal to 12 minus x. The whole square is equal to ET. ET we got it's equal to, yeah, 8 square is already calculated. 8 square plus AE we taken as x square. So opening this bracket and connecting all these terms, x terms one side and constant one side, you will get, yeah, this one, opening this bracket 144, yeah, here it is plus x square minus 24x equal to 64 plus x square. Collect all the x terms, x square and x square gone. So 24 we can take into the other side, so it become positive 24x. And for 64 we can take into this side, 144 minus 64. So getting this one, it is equal to 80. So x is equal to, we are getting 80 by 24. We can divide both of these by 80. 8, you will get a 10 by 3. 10 by 3 centimeter is nothing but what? Which is AE here. You can see that one is on which one? ABT is on ABT, triangle ABT is an isosceles triangle with AB, AT and BT are equal. So AE divides the base into equal parts. That means AB is equal to what? AB is equal to 2 times AE. Correct? Because we know that in an isosceles triangle drawn from the vertex angle to the unequal side, it divides, it becomes the perpendicular as well as the median. So it will bisect the base. So we can write here 2 into 10 by 3, which is equal to 20 by 3 centimeter. Yeah, you can write in decimal form. So nearly equal to, yeah, you can round off it and then write it. So this is the answer we completed. Look at this case. All these videos, if you go through, you can see we taken less than 1 hour, 2 hours to complete both these. See, A part section A and section B, isn't it? Yeah, you can look into that videos, all the videos, you watch that one. And how much time we taken? Less than 2 hours to complete the paper. Now the remaining time it is for what? Remaining time it is for your revision. You just go through what you written, all these are correct or not. Isn't? If any correction, some students are making some silly mistakes, calculations are made, and from there if you are copying that one, making the mistakes, you can go through step by step, and if any doubt it is there, if any need to make it a correction is there, you can do in that time, and thus we can complete the paper within time. Okay, so practice for using papers, isn't it? Take the previous year's papers and keep the timing and then solve it. Practice, practice, practice. No other way to, no shortcut for doing paper in the examination, performing in the examination well. Okay, all the best.